Hi everyone, it's Helen here and thank you for joining me today. So we're going to be making the burger box die set today. So this is another Simply Made Crafts collection. So this is from the Great Night In collection. So you get this lovely big die here. So let's show you what it makes. So I've got two here, two completely different themed boxes, and they both have goodies and treats in. I absolutely adore this bow as well. So let's open the one that says Dad first. And inside I have a candy burger. I had to stick it quite well with tape to get that plastic over there. I just cut apart a food bag and then popped it in there because the original packaging was too big to fit in there completely. Okay, so this is going to be perfect for adding little treats. So I thought this candy burger was absolutely perfect for this box. So that is that one. That one's themed for Dad, and I've used Simply Made Crafts mini album alphabet dies for that. That I'll make sure that is listed down below as well, because these alphabets are perfect for personalizing. Okay, so this one here, this one is a movie night themed one, and inside we have two chocolate cookies. Again, I've just used a food cellophane bag. I've just used some tape there just to get those closed. So perfect cookies there, especially if you have a little goodie box for taking home as well. So this one has been themed around movie night. So I've used the papers here from the Great Night In for both of these boxes. And I've used this bundle here, the stamp set bundle, and the Great Night In as well. So that comes with a lovely little belly band there just to keep it all together. Okay, so let's make up this burger box. Let's move those over here. So let's have a closer look at the die set. So I've put mine on a magnetic sheet, and I've got some cardboard or some mount board on the other side there. And again, this die set, there you go, if I put it there, there's no glare. If I go over here, yeah, that's a good place. Okay, so this is the main die here that cuts the whole thing out, and then here we have all of these little matte dies. So you can mat the inside as well to make it extra special and extra sturdy. We have this bow here. I love the bow, that's just perfect. And what else? We have these square dies here. They're slightly rectangular, and again, this is going to be perfect if you want to make windows for the top of your box as well. Okay, so that is the die set, and I've already done a bit of die cutting. So again, you're going to be needing a large format die cutting machine for this. So I'm just going to leave this out there and we'll pop it aside just here. Okay, so I've cut mine out already. I'm using a white cardstock there, and I've done as much as I can here because there's going to be a little bit of sticking and gluing, but there's not going to be a lot of gluing on the actual box, just on these little edges, these little tabs there. So let's get folding. I'm going to use my bone folder as well. Got these little side tabs too. So again, I guess you could actually put in a real burger in here if you have food safe card or paper. Yeah, I would say card, food safe card that you can die cut with. Then potentially you could. Otherwise, I would wrap everything up in cellophane, and this is absolutely perfect for little treats and sweets as well. Again, this would look great on a themed wedding too. You can use these all on favour boxes. You can use this at parties. You can put initials on them, personalise them. Okay, so that's all folded now. So I'm just going to add all of my mats now. So I'm going to be using Cosmic Shimmer here just to get everything down. And I'm just going to turn on my glue gun. It just makes it super quick for doing the bow. I think I've lost my little oh no, here it is. Thought it was lost. Okay, let's get all of these popped on. Okay, so I'm now going to glue these together. I have got some extra mats here, so I'm thinking I'm just going to pop them here. I was tempted to pop them on the inside. Again, you can mat out the whole inside, but I'm just going to add these here quickly, and then we can glue this together. So I think I'm going to do some stamping as well using a coordinating Great Nighting stamp set. That goes the other way. There we go. Okay, now let's get assembling. So let's start with these mini tabs here. So these little triangular tabs, they're shaped for that section, so we're going to glue it together like that. So let's start. I am going to do it this side and then that side, so I'm going to go to the opposite tab and do those two first. Again, with Easter coming up, this is going to be perfect for popping in some Easter eggs as well, just little ones. Okay, moving over now to the front section, we have these tabs here. They're going to fold in like that. And then the same for these two here. Okay, now that is our box done, and that's going to slot together there and catch at the front. Okay, so let's do a bit of stamping now. Or should we put the bow together? We'll do the bow together. So I've got my glue gun here. There we go, and we just need a bone folder. I'm not too sure if I'm going to do any stamping. I'm thinking I'm going to add some mats here. So this is the mat here using the die included in the set. Not sure if I've done it in the right colour, but we'll find out. I may change my mind. Okay, so I've just curved that over. So I'm just going to add a bit of glue here. I'm using a glue gun just because it's so much quicker than waiting for wet glue to dry. Because I've curved it over, I'm not getting the creases that you would get if you were to just bend the card or the paper in place. It stops all of those crease marks. So that is that part of the bow, and all we have to do now is glue that onto there. And it's optional. This is quite fiddly, so I've been leaving it off, but you can use that one if you want. So add a bit of glue along the bottom there, and then line that up with your bow tail, and we're going to add that on there. That disappears, so we're going to create a little bit of contrast. I think I've got that on the wrong way, so I'm going to move over to this die set here, and I think I'm going to use this big one there. Just to create a little mat. So let's grab the big shot grab our box and assemble. There we go, and there we go. And you also get a gift tag die as well if you wanted to add a gift tag. So let's get that glued down, and then that is our box ready to go. Whoops. Again, this would look great if you have some foam pad, those sticky foam pads, just to raise it up as well. I absolutely adore that. I think that's so cute. Now, wouldn't that look great as a baby shower box? I'm thinking baby shower for this one. And again, this would look lovely with flowers and lace and leaves popped on the top as well. Okay, so that is, these are what I used here. I do get questions, so I like to say everything, the names of everything that I've used here, but everything that I have used today will be listed down below. So this is the stitched and pierced scalloped nesting ovals die set, and again, this is from Craft Stash, and the list for everything that I've used today will be down below. And international delivery is also available. So where have I put the die set? I've put it down somewhere. Where have I put it? It's right next to me. Here we are. Okay, so this is the last video. I've been filming all day, so this is the last video that I'm filming today. So let's pop that back together. So I do have a Facebook group called Paper Crafting with Helen Griffin, and there you can share all your Simply Made craft makes. There's a massive group in there already sharing their wonderful things, and even I'm inspired by the things that they make. You know, they'll dig out an old die set and I'm like, oh, I really need to work on that one. I need to make something with that. Okay, so these are the boxes from today's tutorial. I will put down the group information in the description box as well, so that you can check that out. If you want to join, please do join. The more the merrier. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you again soon.